Hello everyone, welcome to our first episode of EDQ Cooks. So this is a new segment like where we'll be cooking amazing food by our head chef, Mr. Jyotirmoy.
So we have prepared Spanish omelette. So for Spanish omelette, the main ingredient for Spanish omelette is potato. First thing that we need to do is we have to cut the potatoes into dice. Next, we need to cut chopped onions. Then we need to have chopped capsicum. Plus, we need to have little bit of chopped chilies as you like. Then we'll take a pan. In that pan, we'll put little bit of butter. Then we'll fry our different veggies. The time the veggies are done, we'll transfer it to a separate bowl and keep it aside so that the veggies are cold enough. It needs to be cold. Then we'll take 3 eggs, we'll beat the eggs. After beating the eggs, we'll add the veggies to our egg. Now it's time to prepare our Spanish omelette. So we'll be taking a pan. Over there we'll put little bit of butter or olive oil as you like. Then we'll pour half of the omelette mixture over there. Then the next step will be we'll put the cheese over there. So today the cheese variety that we have put is our mozzarella cheese. So after we put the half batter in the pan, we'll put the mozzarella cheese, and over there we'll sprinkle some coriander leaves to it. After doing that, the remaining rest of our egg batter, we'll put that, let the one side cook properly, but make sure the flame, it needs to be low. Eggs are always cooked in low temperature. If we like increase the heat of the eggs, the problem is the eggs, it turns out to be very hard while we have it. So the flame, it needs to be low. So after finishing, we'll flip the eggs. And your Spanish omelette is ready.
Sir, can you tell us like what exactly this dish is about?
So we have a varieties of omelette in markets, or we have normally in our homes, but Spanish omelette is little bit different from those others that we find, because here we add potatoes normally.
Alright.
Potatoes, and the thing is it is no doubt, as the names say, like it's from Spain. So the time when like the history of omelettes, it was from the 16th century previously. But yes, Spanish omelette was not invented or not being cooked at that time. It was on the time when the Spanish, they found potatoes. When they went for the voyages for like searching different continents previously, when they found potatoes, they have introduced potatoes in this omelette.
Alright, so that's how it became Spanish omelette.
Yes.
Okay. So like, can you give us some tips like how we can cook awesome like kind of omelets at
Okay.
home? Yeah.
So I'll start from the boiled egg itself directly. So normally, if you need hard boiled egg, we need to cook it till like the timing for hard boiled egg is around 8 to 12 minutes.
Okay.
So around 8 to 12 minutes if we cook, then we get hard omelettes. Sorry, not hard boiled eggs. So for omelettes is little bit different. For omelette, the flame of the flame or the place where we are working, the flame, it needs to be low.
Okay.
So if we increase the flame, the crust, no doubt it will be golden brown, it will look awesome, but the time when you scrape the omelette,
Yeah.
it turns out to be very hard. That's the thing.
So that's really some amazing tips we learned from him. So yeah, we'll be back again after a short duration. Like we have more dishes to cover. Till then, see ya.
Thank you.